everyone. My name is Lisa Levinson, and I'm the co-founder of the Interfaith Vegan Coalition. And I'm here today to wish you a very happy Golden Rule Day. I love this day because to me it symbolizes extending our circle of compassion to include all living beings, and that means our animal neighbors. One of the ways I like to extend my compassion to animals is by going vegan. This practice of not eating animal products assists me in aligning my spiritual values with my daily choices. So for Golden Rule Day, give it a try. Go vegan and share the love between all living beings. Thank you, and may compassion encircle the earth for all beings everywhere. Happy Golden Rule Day!